Good.
It's getting big, dude.
I'm gonna have
Damn
some
cold.
beer. You miss your grandpa, don't Maybe it's the fact that you haven't had a cigarette.
No, I had a cigarette. I just don't smoke every day, but I'm cold.
Or it's not me. Forgive me for this being weird. I just don't feel right. Is that the thing where you just don't feel right? I think Dr. Lawrence is fighting for us.
No, I don't have a sinus infection anymore. That went away. Just have a fucking cough still from this fucking stupid cold.
Crap. Do you have a light? Better stay on.
I had my flu shot like 2 weeks ago before this cold started. I
Do you
think it's
have
the flu shot that started this problem. It happens every year. It makes me sick as hell with the cold. But I don't get the flu, thank God.
someone backed off?
Died from that shit. I died from one day, and I died from pneumonia when I was a kid, and I died from the flu shot. One died 3 times.
Look who saved your life for me. Oh, you're cute.
Man,
I guess you could say they're not.
stupid.
No, they think we're not normal because we're like, yay! They think we're not normal because we're happy all this.
Smelling everything when it's cold. I just keep on coughing. That's all it does to me. It makes me cough. I started with a sore throat, and it started today, so now it's cough.
Father, I pray to you. Yes, I get
So
it.
to work with it, I just cough my ass off.
Want some what though? No, no.
Jesus.
Pretty bird. No, not cat.
I'm cute this
Cats
morning.
are more
I'm cute
meant
yesterday.
for
I'm coughed
different
too hard.
purposes. Dougie the dog. Oh.
Is that working? I have feet on the ground.
Anytime you're missing a diamond stubby, I call these little cubby holes. I will put those
Jesus.
in there.
Oh,
That's shade.
Flares up every now and then,
Because
I
it's
guess.
black.
ridiculous.
As a hanger. I hear those.
I'm coughing in 5 minutes.
Father, forgive me if I was there. Want some beer? Man.
I need some beer, yeah. Swallow something down, so it's fucking coughing. Jesus. Rain's up a minute.
Here, I give you a
What is it?
screwdriver. I've had it most of my life.
Ugh.
That's bread in here. You keep. Okay. How'd you fix the handle? And here.
Fixed it, yeah, because it needed to be screwed in.
Huh. Lord
You mean it's at work people
knows
rip those door handles right off? They didn't have to be ripped off. I fix those at work, they rip them off. I can't fix them, but yeah, they had to re-weld the door and put it back in.
Hey.
This
no
one's
more?
just loose.
No more at all?
No, it's just loose. It's not been ripped or pulled on. It ain't been stripped or anything. It was fixed when I was tightened it.
Oh,